I found a new tool that can totally change everything that you're doing with AI chatbots, because you can create your own AI chatbot and it is easier than ever. The possibilities seem endless. You can literally create your own AI chatbot like ChatGPT, trained on whatever you want it to be trained on. It is crazy, it is next level, it feels like we are in the future. The tool is called Chatbase. It's a custom ChatGPT for your own data. So you can train your own chatbot with the information that you just give it. Chatbase didn't sponsor this video, but I do have an affiliate link and that one is in the description below. If you want to go to this website, you can help me out and I will show you how you can use this tool and why this is so crazy and what we can expect to do with this. This is the website from Chatbase and it's super easy to start. You just press login on the top right and you can create an account or you can sign in with Google. Once you're signed in, you arrive on your page with my chatbots. And right now I have one chatbot limit because I'm on a free account. Here they have the pricing and here you can see the pricing FAQ and there is a free plan. Yes, just by signing up you get 30 message credits and one chatbot. So you can just test it out and see a bit if you really like this. The only thing that's a bit annoying with the free chatbot is that you have a limited amount of data that you can give. The free plan is 400k characters, the hobby 2 million, the growth 4 million. It goes up and up and up. So the hobby is $19 a month, growth is $50 a month. I can see a lot of big companies using this tool because imagine that you can just create your own chatbot. This can be huge for all companies. If you go to a website and you just have a little chatbot on the right, it's not perfectly trained. And with this, it's going to be trained on ChatGPT on your data. It's next level. So I'm here and I press build your chatbot. And right here you see that you have a couple of options. You have different data sources. So you can upload files and then you can choose for a text file, docs file, PDF. You can either do text. So you can really just copy paste all the text right here. And you can do a website. So this is kind of crazy. This is really impressive. I will show you. And you can add a Q&A and then you really have to add all the questions and answers. So right now I'm going to go for a website. And one thing I personally thought this is crazy for is terms and conditions. It's often a lot of text and nobody wants to read through that. So I just searched for Midjourney T&C. So here I have the page with the terms of services from Midjourney. And I can just copy this link right here and go back to Chatbase. And I can do two things. I can either do crawl. So this will crawl all the links starting with the URL. So if I would go only to this link and not add terms of service in the end, it will crawl all the pages that are below /docs. And let's see what's behind of it. It is these three are included and you see that, and it's only 30,000 characters. So that's very good. I can use this on my free plan. And here in the bottom you see include sources, 3 links. And if I want to add something extra, go to the bottom right and press add and just paste it here. And now it includes 4 links and I can create the chatbot. And just like this, I created my own chatbot that is trained on the Midjourney terms and conditions and information. The most asked question that I get on videos about different AI image generators is the question, can I use this for selling the image? And it's different with every tool. This chatbot is now trained on Midjourney, so let's ask it, can I sell images generated with Midjourney? And here you see, subject to the license granted to Midjourney, you own all assets you create with the services, provided they were created in accordance with the agreement. This means that you have the right to sell the image generated with Midjourney. And in the bottom you see the source. So it got this answer from the page of the terms and conditions. And I also want to know, do I need to reference Midjourney when I sell it? So Chatbot says, I'm not sure. The agreement does not mention any requirement to give credit to Midjourney while selling the image generated with the service. However, it's always a good practice to acknowledge the source of the images. So it is an answer because it couldn't find anything. And in my opinion, that means that it's not necessary. Otherwise, it would be added in the terms and conditions. So you see that this is something trained on a website and it's crazy. And you can go through a couple of settings. So here are the settings. And you see the chatbot ID, the name. So this is the base prompt and this is how the chatbot is trained. I want you to act as a document that I am having a conversation with. Your name is AI Assistant. You will provide me with answers from the given info. If the answer is not included, say exactly, I'm not sure. So that was the answer that we just got before, so we can change it. We can make it, I am not totally sure. And then this will be the answer. And you can change the temperature, you can make it more creative or more reserved. It always starts on 0. This is the chat interface if you would embed the chat on your website. So this is something that companies can really use, and I can totally customize it right here. Let's delete this chatbot because I can only create one on the free plan right now and create a new one. And I want to create one based on a file. So I have a file right here. And it's a training program for in the gym with a lot of different information. And this is a lot, you know, it's 100 pages, and to go and find exactly what you need to know can be hard. So I upload a PDF right into the data source. So it has 130 characters and create chatbot. And it's just loading, and now you can have your personal chatbot with a PDF file. And this is what I think is next level. Can you imagine if you're studying something, if you're in university and you have a PDF with so much information, then you can upload it here and you can just ask questions, talk to it about it, and you learn much better. So right now here I have my chatbot, right, about the PDF. Hi, what can I help you with? So just ask, hi, do you know what warm-up exercises I can do? And here it's giving information that it really got from the PDF. So here in the bottom you see the sources again. And what did it tell me? You can do dynamic warm-ups. You can do 5 to 10 minutes of low moderate intensity cardio. And you can do a basic loading pyramid. So if I want to have some more information, I can keep asking, right? This dynamic warm-ups, I'm not sure what it is. So can you give examples from dynamic warm-ups in a table format? Sure, here are some examples of dynamic warm-up exercise that you can do. And right here, I just got the exercise. So leg swings, arm circles, high knees. And on the right, the description. So how do you do it? Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. I have never seen this, and it feels amazing. It feels so cool that you're able to talk with the information that you want. Here in the top, they have some featured chatbots. So they have Chatbase June 2. They have the Quran, the Art of War, and Paul Graham and Naval Ravikant. So I'm not sure how they got the data from them. I'm a big fan of Naval Ravikant. So they already have a suggested question. What is happiness? And here probably they trained on a lot of interviews that he did, on maybe the book that he wrote. And you can just talk. And that's the nice thing, right? That you can literally talk with the data that it gives you. They created their own chatbot based on all their information, all their docs, all that stuff. So you can go in the bottom, and here they have a live demo. And it's a chatbot that's trained on a document explaining Chatbase. So here you can just ask any question that you have and they will answer it. So it's a good thing to see how it works, but also to get all the information that you need to create your own chatbot. So in my opinion, this is really next level. I can see companies that have a lot of documentation. For instance, if they sell a certain program or they sell certain courses, that they have all this data and PDFs. They can upload it here and create a chatbot for people just to talk and ask questions. This is going to save so much trouble. It's truly groundbreaking. If you want to try out this tool, please use my affiliate link in the description. It helps me a lot, and for you it will stay the same. You can just use Chatbase. And let me know in the comments what you're going to use it for. Which links or which documents are you going to upload and create your own AI chatbot. I really had a lot of fun with this tool, and I make a lot more AI content videos. So if you like this video, please subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye.